What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Camaro today. We are going to fix a dash problem. So my gauge cluster, I put a new gauge cluster in it. I reused my old printed circuit. Well, I thought that was okay and everything. Well, when I turned my lights on, gauges died. So obviously you need a printed circuit. So what it was doing, when the lights were on, it was using my lights as a ground, which is not a good thing. It could possibly catch this car on fire, and I don't want to do that. So I got a new printed sticker from Summit Race for like 87 bucks, worth the money. It will help with the brightness of the dash, and it will help with any loose connections you got going on in your cluster, and everything will be accurate. So I'm gonna pull that out, show you how to swap the printed circuit over. I'm gonna show you what the new one looks like, and compare it to the old one from 40 years ago. I just got a brand new one today in the mail and everything. So yeah, hope you guys stick around, like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff, the F-body platform. And I got some more stuff coming for the new motor and everything. But quick story short, let's get on to this printed circuit situation and get this problem fixed. All right, guys, so I got the cluster up. So here's the old printed circuit. It started delaminated right there, so that's why I was using my lights as the ground. Yeah, I forgot a light bulb. It's okay, I got more and everything. So it started delaminating around here too. The image right there. And so what holds these down is, these are 8 mil. These are also 8 millimeters. And those are also 8 millimeters. And these also hold it down like so. They twist in and out like that, especially these right here. See, they twist in and out. So, and here's the new one. Nice, obviously brand new. These tabs look a lot nicer. It might have a better connection with everything, and the gauges might be more accurate too, except for the speedo, because I don't have a speedo cable. But let's take a look at this one more time. And also see, it's starting to delaminate around here. Yep, right there and everything. So let me get these two swapped out, show you what that's going to look like on the new cluster, and let's see how it performs in the car. All right, so this is what it's going to look like with the new circuit, not bolted down or anything, but compared to the old one right here, everything, I don't want to damage it, everything lines up with the new one. And this is an OER brand. Obviously the lights aren't in and actually holding it down, so the holes line up. You gotta remember, there's resistors like these also underneath here, and those could go out too. I've seen it happen. And yeah, so I'm gonna start bolting this one back in, throw it in the car, see what happens. And so far so good. When you take these off, you want to be very, very careful you don't cross thread them. That's easy to do. So like when you go sit here putting it on, I started by hand like that. And yeah, then the lights should snap in like I showed you earlier. But let me get this finished bolted down and show you what happens in the car with it. Alright, so got it back together. All the lights are in place and everything. Now I'm gonna go see what happens when I put it in the car. So hopefully this fixes the problem of my lights being used as a ground when I had turned the gauge cluster on and everything. So yeah, let me go do that, and I'll bring you guys along when I'm done with that. Alright guys, so I got it all back together. Let me grab my keys real quick. So let's find out what happens. Hopefully I fix this printed circuit problem. So I think that's what the problem was. Put that in there. Yeah, that tack does that sometimes. I got an aftermarket one right here. So my biggest problem is when I turn the lights on. No way. So look, the printed circuit was the problem. Everything's accurate. That's right. That's right. Speedo doesn't work. That's wrong. Yeah, the clock don't work, and that temp gauge don't work, because I got that set up right there. So on to what I'm doing next is, let's bring the headlights back on. See that running light right there? That one's on. That one only comes on during the turn signal. So I'm gonna get to start looking at that, see what happens. Well guys, I got that working again. See that? So that should light up and match all these. That running light's back on again. Don't know what the problem was with that. I literally sat down, cleaned the ground up, worked fine after that. So I'm gonna put it back together and yeah. And take it for a ride, hopefully, if the rain holds out. I don't think it will. But yeah, show you guys what it looks like when it's back together. Alright guys, now I'm gonna take it for a drive, see the printed circuit in it, see if anything acts up. I like how this thing shifts. PCI has outdone himself, guys. So far, so good. Don't do that, folks. I'm gonna turn this thing around. Ooh. Now I'm gonna put it in Manuel mode, basically low, second and third. Alright, let's see how it shifts, man. I haven't done this on the new transmission yet. Real nice. It is real nice. You can hear the carburetor backfire a little bit. Still needs a little work. Then again, it might be today's leg. It's only done today. So, yeah. That'll be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys then. Well, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow for more, because the new motor's almost done. 383, let's go in this little puppy, get rid of this tire 350 that's in it, just to scream the tires off of it and haul ass. It's about to get fun. New transmission, new rear end, everything's brand new, stuff that motor now. Then we're going to start interior. Then they'll get rid of this nasty orange, which, to be honest, ain't my favorite. But I'll catch you guys then. Hopefully I'll get more videos out. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe. See you guys later.